Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Harry Trade. So in this morning trading session, March 13th, Wednesday. Right now, I'm just looking at the chart right now, and the markets. Right now, the Dow is up 84, Nasdaq is down 57. So we had a record new high yesterday, the S&P. Right now I'm just looking at my setups right now. The strategy, basically, I'm trading for a red shade here, and this is also showing red. I just got a notification that just this condition was met. Looks to me it's out of a squeeze, and so I believe this would be a good time to go into the trade. So I'm going to go ahead and open a short position now. I'm going to sell low. I'm trading the micro Nasdaq right now, and so right now I have a limit order to sell short, so I'm just waiting for the price to hit the limit, and then I will have an open position.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, so that was a profit of $94.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.